I'm the guy next door, and if I can cook, you can cook too. I like cooking because I like to transform simple ingredients into something presentable and likable. If you are looking for a recipe that is going to take the limelight off the entire dinner, this is it. Ladies, gentlemen, fried chicken with turmeric sauce. First, put in the potatoes into hot oil. These potatoes have been parboiled. I dropped them in because I wanted a crispy, golden surface. Remove and set them on the serving plate once they have crusted. Coat the chicken pieces with salt, pepper, and corn flour before you drop them into the hot oil. To fry the chicken, I like to use medium heat because it's easier to control. Toss the chicken so that it fries evenly. To know if the chicken is cooked, poke the pieces of chicken with a skewer or a fork. If blood oozes out, the chicken is still alive! So this is the golden brown color that we wanted. Drain them and put them with the potatoes on the serving plate. Next, fry the ginger till golden brown. Keep the fried ginger for garnishing. Fry the garlic till golden brown, which is also part of the topping. Again, set it aside when it's done. Fry the Kaffir lamb leaves on the hot pan. Pour in a bowl of water mixed with a tablespoon of corn flour. Pour in a cup of milk. Put in half a cube of chicken stock. What makes this sauce special is the turmeric powder. Now it's time to add in. Add in the shredded chilies. Here comes the secret ingredient to make the sauce creamier, a piece of sliced cheese. Put in the white pepper and salt. Simmer it until the sauce thickens and it is ready. luscious sauce onto the chicken and let the whole dish glow. Squeeze in the lemon to heighten the aroma, and it will give the dish a sleazy taste. This is the garlic that we fried. Drop it onto the dish. Last but not least, let's crown this dish with the fried ginger. Crispy, aromatic, delicious. So friends, this is how I made it. Fried chicken with turmeric sauce. Thank you for watching. Now make this yourself and impress your family. I hope you can give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again soon. Bye.